The purpose of technical writing is to teach the reader how to do something within a series of detailed steps. This unique genre of informative writing requires clarity and precision, two powerful communication skills students need. Consequently, tackling this genre in the writing classroom is time well spent. Technical writers have a deep understanding of and first-hand experience with the topics they're teaching. Therefore, when experimenting with technical writing in the classroom, have students start by generating simple, sequenced lists of daily routines, like how to go through the lunch line or how to brush their teeth. With this list made, many students combine these sentences into a single paragraph and declare they're done. However, effective technical writing is more precise, more specific than that. Students need direct instruction on how to develop each step into its own detailed paragraph. Start by placing each step at the top of its own half sheet of paper. Or if your students compose on a screen, then model how to separate each step with several line breaks. Either way, you've identified several topic sentences that now each need supporting details. Knowing that every step in a how-to writing produces its own paragraph, now students need you to reveal 9 types of information that they could include. First, state the specific action the reader will take, do, or perform in this step. This is the topic sentence that they've already written. Vocabulary is also important. Include any technical jargon associated with this step and provide a synonym or a simple definition of what it means. Remember, the reader's new to this topic, so don't just drop in unfamiliar terms without any context. Preposition details is a third way. Describe precisely how, with your hand, where, against the slide, or when, at the end, this step is executed. These are the little details that provide precision and exactness. Number 4, add senses. Describe sights, sounds, smells, and textures associated with this step. This additional information helps the reader know if he's executing the step correctly or incorrectly. Number 5, compare the outcome of this step to something the reader would likely know. A 6th way to develop how-to writing is to explain the purpose of the step, why it's important in the overall process, and/or how it impacts the next step. The reader needs to understand the importance of executing this step carefully and correctly, and what's at stake if he doesn't. Beyond what to do, include any challenges the step may bring. Identify common mistakes or problems the reader might encounter. These details demonstrate the writer's vast experience with this task, as he can anticipate what a novice might do wrong. Follow challenges with detail number 8, troubleshooting. Include tips, solutions, or alternative approaches if something should go wrong during this step. This information may include undoing, redoing, or starting over. And number 9, note any cautions. Highlight any safety risks involved in this step. Now, depending on the task or procedure, there may be significant risk or none at all. But when safety is a consideration, put this information early in the paragraph so that the reader sees the warning before it's too late. Although there is a lot of information that could be added to each step in a how-to, it shouldn't all be included. Writers insert only the additional details that are most helpful and most relevant for that particular step. These seemingly insignificant details to the writer prove critical to the reader. By incorporating this precise information, students transform basic how-to lists into robust, technical guides that provide readers with the benefit of the writer's expertise.